This video is to show you how to factor a polynomial of degree 3 or higher using the TI-84 calculator. To begin, you need to know that for a polynomial, the terms of 0, root, x-intercept, factor, solution, and solution set all refer to the same value. Although k is used in different settings, which indicate the different purposes of the k value, it is still k. Now to begin using the TI-84. Press Y equals. Type in 3x. Press the caret key. Press 3 right arrow plus 7x. Press x squared. Type in subtraction 18x plus 8. Press second table. Using the up and down arrows, find the x-intercepts on the table. The x-intercepts are -4, 0 and 1, 0. Don't use 0, 8. It is the y-intercept. First, use the x-intercept of 1 to perform a synthetic division on our function. Second, use the -4 to perform a second synthetic division on the result of the first synthetic division. Convert the x-intercepts of 1 and -4 into the factors of x minus 1 and x plus 4. Note the sign change in the signs of 1 and -4 to -1 and plus 4 in the factors. The third factor comes from the result of both synthetic divisions. We're done.